Hello everyone, welcome back to my crochet channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this cute flower keychain, perfect for decorating your keys, bags, or as a lovely handmade gift. This project is simple and beginner friendly, so just relax and enjoy crocheting with me. Please prepare 2.5mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and watch until the end. Your support truly motivates us to create more crochet tutorials for you. For round 1, make a magic ring. Crochet 5 single crochets into the ring, then close the round with a slip stitch. Pull the ring tight to keep the center neat. Great job getting started. Next, for round 2, repeat chain 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2, slip stitch into the same stitch, and do this 5 times to create 5 petals. Keep your chains relaxed so the petals look soft and pretty. For round 3, chain 2, then make a slip stitch into the next stitch and repeat this 5 times. This round helps define the flower shape, so take your time, you're doing amazing. For round 4, repeat chain 2, 5 single crochets, chain 2, slip stitch in each petal space a total of 5 times. Your flower is coming to life now. Feel free to pause and admire your work. To make the leaf, chain 8, skip 1 stitch, then crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets, half double crochet. In the last stitch, work single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, then continue on the other side of the chain with half double crochet, 3 double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet, and finish with a slip stitch. Crocheting around chains can feel tricky, but go slowly. You've got this. For the ring, chain 70, skip the first 2 chains, then crochet 67 double crochets. Join both ends together to form a circle. Make sure your chain isn't twisted before joining so your ring stays smooth and beautiful. For round 1 of the bow, chain 30, skip 1 chain, make an increase, then crochet 27 single crochets. Turn your work, crochet 28 single crochets, and finish with a slip stitch. Keep your tension even to make the bow look balanced. For round 2, crochet, single crochet, increase, single crochet, half double crochet, 8 double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet, 3 slip stitches, then repeat the same pattern symmetrically on the other side, and end with a slip stitch. This round adds lovely texture. Stay focused, you're almost done. For round 1, make a magic ring, crochet 5 single crochets, then close with a slip stitch. Small details like this make your project extra cute. For round 2, repeat chain 2, 2 double crochets, chain 2, slip stitch 5 times to form mini petals, and just like that, your flower is complete. And that's it! Your crochet flower keychain is now finished. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me today. I'm really proud of you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Watching the full video truly helps us stay motivated to create more tutorials for you. See you in the next crochet video. Happy crocheting!